Right. Good evening, Putay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Right. Did you do the papers? Putay, did you do the papers and ready?
Yes, Steve.
Hi. Wait a little. I'll download firstly the 2024 paper. Second. Come on, Naikal, it's okay, right? I'll mostly discuss MCQs today. If we have time, I'll be going to structure this way. Wait. Shavindi, good evening. Right, today we will be discussing third unit papers, third unit 2019 to 2024. I'll firstly start with 2024 questions which have come from this lesson. I'm sharing 2024 marking scheme. If anyone don't have the marking scheme, you can ask from me later. I'm going to the first question which has come from unit 3 in the MCQ section. I'll be starting with 8th question here. It's asking which of the following statements regarding vascular plants is correct. Let's go through one by one and we'll see why these statements are correct and why these statements are wrong. Microphylls of some vascular plants have branch veins. What do you think? Is it correct? It's wrong neither.
Yeah.
Right. Roots were present in ancestors of the modern vascular plants. What do you think? Roots were present in the ancestors of modern vascular plants. Who were the ancestors? These were green algae. Green algae didn't have roots. Am I correct, children? Hi. Next one. Presence of stomata is unique to vascular plants. Who had the stomata first? If you can remember, when I discussed about the sporophyte of Pogonatum, also had stomata, no? Isn't it? Yes. Then some vascular plants have symbiotic gametophytes. That answer is correct, I guess. Do you agree with that? Yes. Flagellated sperms are absent in vascular plants. No. Which vascular plants are having flagellated sperms? Let's make a list. Always make sure that you will make reviews when you're doing MCQs. Let's make a list. Vascular plants. Sorry, I got disconnected. Can you hear me now? Right. What I was about to do is I'm going to make a list here. Vascular plants, Zelaginella. Something wrong with my keyboard. I'll type in simple letters here. Wait. Okay, I'll tell you what to. No, I'll write it in this manner. Selaginella is having flagellated male gametes, and Nephrolipis is having flagellated male gamete. And when we go to gymnosperms, among the 3 gymnosperm phylum that are given to us, what are having these flagellated sperms with it? Only one is having no flagellated sperms, like in non-vascular, like in the other plants. Cycadophyta cycles, no, isn't it? Am I correct? Yes. Okay, write down these things and leisurely you make a review why each of these are correct and why each of these are wrong. Megaphils are having branch veins. That's why the first statement is wrong there. The correct answer here is answer number 4. Right? We'll give you a little time to write down this one and write why each of sentences, why it is correct and why it is wrong. Quickly do that, okay? Hi, are you done? Hi, I'm erasing here. Are you all done?
Yes, teacher.
Hi. Which of the following combinations of plant phyla and their gametes is or are correct? Bryophyta, dioecious gametophyte. Yeah, that is true. Pterophyta, gametophyte is photosynthetic. That is also true. Cycadophyta, the gametophyte is reduced. Am I correct with it? Cycadophyta, gametophyte is reduced and it's totally dependent on the sporophyte. So that answer should be A, B, and C. Harvard. Okay. In this place, you can make a little reminder about the gametophytes too. Bryophyta, gametophyte. There are 2 gametophytes. That's why it is known as dioecious. There's a small gametophyte. There's no stem, roots, and leaves here. They have rhizoids, and you are writing leaves within brackets, and you'll be writing stem within actually not brackets. You'll be writing leaves within commas like this. Alright. Then stem also written in commas, and rhizoids are there. Since there are 2 gametophytes, we call it as dioecious. Can you guys tell me another name for dioecious?
Unisexual.
Unisexual. Okay, good. Now, here I'm going to pterophyta. If you can remember the pterophyta gametophyte, what's the shape of the pterophyta gametophyte? Having a heart-shaped thallus-like structure, no? Yes. It's having nice heart shape. If you can remember, underside of the thallus, you will have few archegonia and few antheridia. Also, few rhizoids also arise from this, isn't it? These are archegonia, these are antheridia, and few rhizoids also coming up. All right. Psychodophyta, gametophyte is found within the ovule. So that is a radial structure. Hi. I'm going to number 10. Now we had 2 questions. 1 minute, please. Hi. I'm going to question number 10. Some in 2 animals labeled as A, B are as follows. Endoskeleton is there, closed circular system is also there, coelom is also present. Skeleton is present, open circulatory system is present, gills are present. There are 2 animal phyla that we know having circulatory system. You guys name what are these 2? System बोलते हैं? Is there any? Oh. One second. Sorry. Right. Mm, 2 animal phyla. No, I think you may have given the answer. I didn't hear it because of some connection issue. Tell me again, what are the 2 animal phyla which are having open circular system? කාටද තියෙන්නේ? Arthropoda and mollusca. Yes, mollusca is also having this open circular system. Other animal phyla are having a circular system. Example, you can write these things closer to this one. Annelida and after that Echinodermata. and chordate are having closed circulatory system. හරිද? Okay. So nematodes didn't have a circulatory system, so we can cross the fifth answer. It's not the answer there, so you can go to that method as well, cutting off method. Nematode are in circulatory system. We can cut off the first one as well. Annelida didn't have a exo or endoskeleton. Annelida, what's the type of skeleton they had, Pute? Annelids had, yes, hydrostatic skeleton. So that now the two remaining answers are chordata, echinodermata. Among that, endoskeleton is present in both chordata and echinodermata. Do you agree with that? That's it. Then mollusca is the only physical answer. So answer is 4. Did you all get fourth answer? Did you all get this answer? Hari, 1 minute then. ඔගොල්ලෝ ගාව මේ පේපර් එක තිබ්බද කලු?
Yeah, you gave us, right?
Right. Okay. Chavidi? දුන්නානේ?
Yes.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Hari, I'll be going to the next question as well. Give me 1 minute, please. This is kind of a very easy one. The animals that showed first signs of cephalization. Who actually showed first signs of cephalization? Signs only, right? Not the true cephalization. Signs of cephalization. Who had that?
Platyhelminthes.
The phylum? Yes, Platyhelminthes. Harder. So Platyhelminthes had signs of cephalization, asking another feature of Platyhelminthes phylum. What is the answer? Is it number 1?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. Then that's all from this side, from unit 3. I'll go to the questions after 40th and let's see whether we have more. And that is kind of a history question. Early microorganisms about 3.5 billion years ago. Is it correct, Pute?
Yes.
Yes, because the life originated on Earth before about 3.5 billion years ago. At that time, only the first organism is created. At the same point, I'm asking what were the characteristics of the first organism formed? What can we say?
Prokaryote.
Unicellular, prokaryote. What else?
Heterotrophic.
Yes.
Anaerobic.
Anaerobic. Yes. ඔය ටික ලියලා තියාගන්න ඔතනින්, right? And heterotrophic. හරිද? Next one, in monocot leaves, this is fourth unit. In first photosynthetic organisms about 2.7 billion years ago. Is it correct, Pute?
Yes.
First eukaryotes about 2.6 billion years ago.
No.
No.
No, it's not.
I'm not sure.
No, it's not wrong. No.
Oh, it's 1.8 neither.
1.8.
Oh, all protists about 1.2 billion years ago.
True.
Oldest protists, ne? Red algae red algae. Ancestors of arthropods about 700 million years ago.
It was 670 million years ago, right?
Yes, that is also wrong. So A, B, D answer is 2.
1.
Right, 2. Yeah. Next one comes from fourth one.
It's
but
1,
still
right?
we can.
It's 1, right?
Sorry, ABD is 1. I'm sorry. Right, it's 1. Okay. So, shall we go to the next year? All got correct? Did you all do the questions?
Yes, teacher.
Hi, give me 1 minute to get the 2023 one. Wait. Hi, I'm going to you can see the screen now. Right, okay, I'm coming to this 8th question here. Again, 8th question in 2023. Let's go one by one. Some events took place during the evolution of organisms are as follows. Saturation of water bodies with oxygen. Is it true? No, it's asking the correct sequence. Sorry. Hi. Correct sequence. I'm not going to read one by one. What is the correct sequence, Pute? Number 1?
D.
C. This one, the D.
It should be D,
Hi,
right?
origin of cyanobacteria. Then number 2 is this one, B. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then what is number 3?
A.
All right. Then number 4 is this. Are we having any answer including D, D, A, C? 5 nil.
Hmm.
Okay, now? Harada.
Yes, teacher.
Hi. Next one. Which of the following pairs of organisms have the highest number of common characteristics? Highest number of common characteristics. If you can remember the hierarchy of taxa, the highest number of common characteristics increase when you go down in the hierarchy. Am I correct? From the domain to species, highest number of common characteristics are increased. Am I correct?
Yes, teacher.
Hi. එතකොට in this case, let's see to which categories these guys are belongs to. That is belong to mammals, no? That is a class Mammalia. Then crow, class Aves. Then lizard belongs to
Reptilia.
what?
Reptilia.
Class Reptilia. Turtle, again, class Reptilia. Ulva, protist. Cognatum, kingdom. This is a kingdom, okay? Kingdom. This one, kingdom, but plante. Then Ichthyopis, class
Amphibia.
Amphibia. Antennia,
Platyhelminthes.
phylum Platyhelminthes, no? Pinus,
Phylum Coniferophyta.
phylum Coniferophyta. Then Cycas,
Phylum Cycadophyta.
phylum Cycadophyta. So these two are phyla. We can't take this. Ichthyopis are Taenia, two different. And here Pogonatum and Ulva also, they are far from each other. Now who is more closer? Within the same class, lizard and turtle. Do you agree?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, so answer is answer number 2. හරිද? ලියා ගන්නර මම ලියපු ටික ආයෙ මම දාන්න. මගේ ක්ලියර් නැත්නම් අහන්න. හරිද පුතේ? Are you done writing?
Yeah.
Hi. I'm moving to the next question. Which of the following are unique characteristics of some phyla of the kingdom Animalia? Unique ones. Internal fertilization is found in Fivno. Radiola is a unique character. Parapodia is a unique character. Nephridia is also a unique character. Am I correct? Nephridia, different types are there, and also Nephridia can be found in other animal phyla also. Radiola is found in whom, Pute?
Mollusks.
Mollusca. Yes. You can write that closer to that, right? Then Parapodia is found in
Annelida.
Annelida. This question, only two answers are there, so you can take definitely C and B. Yeah, B and C only. Nephridia, to be honest, what we are talking in annelids only, but still protonephridia, metanephridia, those are also may be considered as one type. ඒ නිසා තමයි ඒක answer එකට අරගෙනත් නැත්තේ, right? හරි. The tissues, that is again from unit 4, 8, 9, 10. Kingdom fungi, another question is there, and kingdom plant, another question is there. So 40.
වැඩිපුරම MCQ වෙනවා පාර්ලිමේන්තුවේ. වැඩිපුරම MCQ වෙන්නේ මොන පාඩමෙන්ද?
වැඩිපුරම MCQ percentage එකක් එන්නේ 5th unit එකේ, because 5th unit has many parts now. එතකොට ඒකට closer value එකක් ආයෙ එන්නේ 4th unit එකේ.
Okay, thanks.
හරිද? දැන් මේකේ ගත්තත් කලින් එකේ තිබිලා තියෙනවා 5 questions. කලින් එකේ 40 කීයද මම කිව්වේ, මම ඒක ලියාගත්තේ නැහැ. 40 මේකේ 42 43 තියෙනවා. මේකේ ඇවිත් තියෙනවා 5 questions නේ. කලින් එකේ 40 කීයද මම කරේ question එක? 2ද?
Yeah.
ඔයන බලන්න. 42 නේ? ඔව්. 42. ඒ කියන්නේ ඇවිත් තියෙනවා 5 questions. ඒ කියන්නේ 50 වලින් 5 questions. ඒක ඉතින් හොඳ percentage එකක් නේද?
Yeah, it's like 5 marks directly.
ඔව්. හරි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කිව්වද මේ සැරේ ගොඩක් 40 above තියන අයටත් C ඇවිත් තිබ්බා. ඒ කියන්නේ අර second එක හරියට ලියලා නැහැ කියන එක. හරිද? මේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොඳට second එක ලියන්න ඕනේ, දෙකම ලියන්න ඕනේ. MCQs not you have to score more than 45 if you want a good mark. හරිද? හරි. Let's go to this question from fungi. What's the meaning of coenocytic, children? Coenocytic කියන්නේ aseptate hyphae with many nuclei. If you don't know, you can write it down. And coenocytic, there are two fungal phyla we are discussing in the lesson. What are the two fungal phyla which are coenocytic? Chytridiomycota and the other one?
Zygomycota.
Yes, Zygomycota. So this can be connected to these two. Multicellular organisms are present in all these three. Do you agree? And additionally, Ascomycota and Chytridiomycota can have unicellular organisms too. Unicellular, as I told you, Ascomycota and Chytridiomycota. Right? RX or REZ. RX, REZ, RX, REZ. So last everything is correct. And first part PXPY, PXPY, PXPY. So this can be ignored. So Q is it? Q is it? What is your answer, Putta? Tell me, dear. All characteristics of phylum combinations are correct.
ඒකේ පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නේද?
Having many answers. Now, wait. Let's go one by one. බලමු අපිට එන උත්තරේ හරිද කියලා යාලා දීලා තියෙන එකත් එක්ක. PX හරිනේ. ඒක හරි. QZ එකත් එක්ක Z. ඔව් ඒක හරි. RZ R එකත් එක්ක Z. හරිනේ ඒකත් හරි. එතකොට A හරි. PY P එකත් එක්ක Y. හරිනේ. QX Q එකත් එක්ක ඕන එකක් හරියන්න එපා මේ විදිහටනේ. R එකත් එක්ක X කායට ලියමයි කොට. ඔව් යුනිසෙලුලර් ඉන්නවා. PZ P එකත් එක්ක Z වැරදිනේ. ඒක නම් වැරදි. හරිද? එක අයින් කරා. D එකත් එක්ක sorry P එකත් X නේ. P and X හරිනේ එකත්. Q එකත් එක්ක ඕන එකක් පුළුවන් R and X RX හරිනේ. PY P එකත් එක්ක Y. ඔව් Y and side එක හරි. QY ජයිගමයි කොට. Q එකත් එක්ක ඕන එකක් ගත්තනේ R and Z RZ හරිනේ ඒකත් හරිනේ yeast ඉන්නෙත් මේකනේ මේකේ 5ද කියලා බලමු ඉතින් අපි ආන්සර් එක අරගෙන තියෙන බලමු not sure for me also 23 නෙමෙයි 23 42 they have taken 1 and 5 both. I'm not sure the reason why they have taken 1 and 5. 1 I think A, B, D only no. එතකොට this one වැරදි කියලා අරගෙන තියෙනවා last one. බලමු why last one වැරදිනේ කියලා 5 හරි. 5 and 1 both they have taken. PY definitely correct. QY multicellular zygomicrota correct. R is it unicellular correct. That is also correct. No 5. Why I don't know why they have taken 1. Don't know whether there is an error in Sinhala or Tamil medium paper, right? Okay, let's take 5 or 1. Select correct statement or statements regarding kingdom from plant A. Reduction in the gametophyte is a trend seen in evolution of plants. Oh, that is true, neither. Root tissues of living vascular plants resemble the stem tissues of early vascular plants. I think this is wrong. Can someone go through the sentence which is given in the book and tell me whether this is exactly correct or wrong?
ඒක හරි නේද teacher?
හරි කියලා තියෙනක සම්පූර්ණ හැමෝම තියනවාද? මට ඔක තිබ්බා කියලා මතකයි.
පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්නවා.
Correct, teacher.
ඒක හරිද? චරවෙන්නේ.
Yes, teacher, it's in the book.
Right. Ancestors of members of plant A had key traits of land plants. Ancestors of members of kingdom plant A had key traits of.
That's
Is
wrong.
the exact, that's wrong. The exact sentences from this book. Tell me why this is wrong.
Chlorophytes lack plant traits.
Lack key traits කියලා නේද දෙන්නේ statement එක.
Yes, teacher.
Members of kingdom Plantae involved from group of olive green colored protists.
Wrong.
This is about brown algae, no? That is wrong, nil. Liverbirds are evolutionary closer to the hornbirds than to mosses.
Wrong.
Wrong. What is the correct order? Marcantia, Poganatum, and Thesaurus. හරිද? ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. ඒකෙන් different questions are coming. So, liverbirds are evolutionary closer to Poganatum or else mosses than hornbirds. නේද? හරි. That's all from that section. Shall we go to next year? Don't know whether this is clear. Download that one. I'll use this one. You have the paper. Wait. Hi. Nowadays they have removed this section. They are not asking you to memorize this eons and eras. I guess they took call for this question. Let me check and let you know. Number 8, no? Oh yeah, they have taken any because they have ignored it because they have stated that they are not going to check the incidents that occur in each eon and era. You don't have to memorize each. Let's go to number 9, which is very easy question. Which of the following considered as an artificial group in the classification of organisms? What is the answer?
Protista.
Protista. Select the pair which is most likely to have highest number of common characters. If you can remember, there was a question in the previous papers also, no? Previous in the sense I did the other order, but still this has come before. If you have followed this one, the next year question a student can definitely answer. So that remember very well, differing past papers. Writing answers to the past papers is important if you want to get a good A pass there, okay? Hi. What is the correct answer here?
3.
Bats and whales, yeah, they are all mammals, no? Others are from different categories. Bacteria from domain bacteria, here from domain archaea, two different domains. Annelids is a different phylum. Nematoda is a different phylum. Birds is a different class. Reptiles is a different class. Lycophyta and Pterophyta also different phylum. Bats and whales are from the same class, Mammalia. Alright? That's why, that's the reason. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Alright. Next one. Which of the following statements regarding seedless vascular plants is or are correct? All club mosses are homosporous. What is club mosses, first of all? Tell me. Lycopodium, no? Yes. Lycopodium, homosporous, that is true. Some pterophytes are homosporous, that is also again true. No, not all. නේද හැමෝම නේ some කියලා ඉගෙන ගන්න නෑ නේද අපි
All.
නෑ all some lycophytes are heterosporous, true, that is Selaginella. Are always write why this is correct, why this is wrong. B is wrong because all word is missing here, so A and C only. Answer number 3 is correct. හරි නේද? Which of the following features is present only in one class of the phylum Chordata? Let's go one by one. Who are ectothermic animals in the Chordata? Which classes? Osteichthyes, Chondrichthyes, amphibians, and reptiles. There are 4 classes, no? Isn't it?
Yes.
4-chambered heart is present in 2 classes, Aves and Mammalia. And cycloid scales? Who is that? Osteichthyes only, no? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Teeth? Without Aves, others are having neither.
Yes.
Then color vision? I guess all must have, no?
It
Isn't it?
depends on the species, actually.
Yeah, that's what. So answer is this one, no? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Alright. Is that all from this section? Estimate itself. That's all. The 5 questions this time also, but 4 has taken because of the issue of the previous question. Harada. Now let's go to 2021 A-levels. You have to give me a few minutes to download. Alright, starting from 7th question in this year. Which of the following statements is most important in explaining Darwin-Wallace theory? Let's discuss the things which were there in Darwin-Wallace theory. Darwin observed that there is a variation in different characteristics among the organism or species of organism. And then he observed that they will be producing more offspring that the environment can accommodate. And he understood that, he concluded that organisms which are having suitable characters or suitable adaptations for a particular environment, they will be surviving and reproducing more offspring to continue for the continuation of the generation. Let's read one by one. Organisms acquire suitable adaptations according to the needs of the environment during their lifetime. Wrong. This was discussed in which theory? Which theory? Lamarck's theory. Adaptations acquired during the lifetime are passed on to the next generation. That is also wrong. Neither. ඒක කිව්වෙත් Lamarck තමයි. Favorable characters are passed to offspring through genetic factors. What do you think? That is true, but still Darwin didn't tell anything as such, no? Isn't it? Each species produce more offspring than environment can accommodate. For example, sometimes a mango tree may be producing more fruits than the environment can accommodate. Do you agree? Hi. Adaptations result in changes in genetic material. What do you think of that? That is not given in the Darwin-Wallace theory, neither. Hi. Do you agree with the answer?
Yeah.
Hi. 3 genera with circular chromosomes, histones associated with DNA, and several kinds of RNA polymerases are respectively. Let's discuss first which domains having circular chromosomes with bacteria and archaea. Histones associated with DNA, archaea and
eukaryote.
Yes. Several kinds of RNA polymerases.
Archaea and eukaryote.
Yes, archaea and eukarya. Okay. Now, what is the correct answer here? We can cut. Cut the second sentence here because Nitrosomonas is a cyanobacterium. Bacterium. Then what else? Nostoc is again a cyanobacterium. We can cut this answer as well. Then Salmonella. Again, we can cut the answer. Then last two, Anabaena and Amoeba. Okay. Anabaena is again a cyanobacterium. First one is the answer. Do you agree? First then. Pute, you have to give me a few minutes. My mom is calling. Is that first answer you're getting?
Yes.
Hi. Okay, great. Okay, Putte, let's go to ninth question. Consider the statements A and B given below. Seedless vascular plants are evolutionary closer to hornworts than to mosses. Seedless vascular plants are evolutionary closer to hornworts than to mosses. That is true, neither, because the correct order is the liverworts, mosses, and hornworts now. So that hornworts is more closer to Selaginella, right? Am I correct, children?
Yes.
Seedless vascular plants bear spores. True, neither. Both A and B correct, but A is not supported by B. Answer 5. Okay? Arad. I'm going to the 10th question. Four structures present in protists are as follows. Organisms A, B, C, D are respectively. Multicellular thallus. There are three protists that we know having multicellular thallus. Who are they? Ulva, sargassum,
Gelidium.
Gelidium. Hi. Pellicle? Sorry, then contractile vacuole. First of all, tell me that. Who is having contractile vacuole? Amoeba, Euglena, and Paramecium. All three are having no? Never. Harder. Alright, next one. Pellicle. Who is having pellicle? Euglena and Paramecium is having pellicle. Cell wall.
Ulva sargassum.
Yes, ulva, sargassum. Is that all?
Gelidium
Uh-huh.
and diatoms.
Yes. Write down this one first. Write the correct spellings with the scientific term. I'm just writing it with this one. හරිද පුතේ? Right, now tell me what's the correct answer here. What's the correct answer? Is it 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? Go. Can't you hear me? Or you don't know the answer?
Second one.
Second one, yes. Okay now?
Yes, teacher.
Hi. Can I go to the next question?
Okay, teacher.
Right. 11th question. Which of the following indicate two features found in organisms of the same phylum? Two features found in organisms of the same phylum. Heart absent, endoskeleton present, echinodermata, no? Heart absent, jointed legs present. No. Anus is absent, tentacles are present in the mouth. Nidaria, no? Anus is absent, so show asexual reproduction. Platyhelminthes, am I correct? About it?
Yes, teacher.
Right. E-T. Next one, no? Her name?
Yeah.
Hi. I'm going to the next one. Yeah. Every time these 4 years, 5 questions have come. Therefore, the now file limit is over. So they have not put any questions in the questions above 40. I'm going to the next year then. This also can be considered as third unit question. I just discussed this one early. What is the correct answer here? What is the correct answer? Heterotrophic and anaerobic prokaryote. 4. 4 is the correct answer here. Right, then starting from question number 8. I think this I did in the school also. Some statements regarding biochemical evolution are given below. Which of the above statements are correct? Small organic molecules such as amino acids and nitrogenous bases were first formed in early oceans. Is it correct? Is it correct or wrong, children?
Correct, right?
You are telling it's correct. Am I heard it correct? Did I hear it correct?
Yeah.
No, I'm telling this is wrong. Tell me why this is wrong.
You're referring to the fact that they formed in the atmosphere and then came to the oceans, right?
Yeah, that's why it is wrong. Yeah, the first formed in the atmosphere, then washed to the sea with the rain. Small organic molecules polymerize to form organic macromolecules.
Correct.
Correct. Protocells contain nucleic acids enclosed in a membrane.
True.
No, that is also wrong, Kutte, because it's not a membrane. Vesicles contain lipid-bound vesicles. It's not a membrane. We don't consider it as a membrane. So here, Q only is the answer, right?
Okay.
Some features of organisms are given below. Select the response that indicate the correct combination of above features for each of the organism given below. Let's go one by one. Nostoc is a bacterium. A is prokaryote, correct. P, peptidoglycan is present, correct. S, RNA polymerase, one kind, so that this statement is wrong. Either. Euglena paramecium, those are eukaryotes. B is correct. Peptidoglycan is absent, so that third one is also wrong. Planaria is a eukaryote. B correct. Q, peptidoglycan absent, correct. R, RNA polymerase one kind, wrong, so that this statement is also wrong. Then thermococcus is a archean. So thermococcus, yeah. A is prokaryotic, correct. P, peptidoglycan present. නෑ නේද? Thermococcus is archean. Peptidoglycan නෑ නේද යාට? නෑ නේ?
No, teacher.
ඒකින්ද එකත් wrong. Muco, eukaryotic. Q, peptidoglycan absent, hari. S, RNA polymerase several kinds. Y, growth is not inhibited. So answer is answer number 4. Do you all agree?
Yes, teacher.
Hard. Moving to the next one. Some structures seen among animals are as follows. Nephridia, who is having protonephridia, children? Platyhelminthes, no? Mantle is there in mollusks. Nematocysts are present in Nidarians. Should be one is wrong. Fish hydra is there. Number 2 should be is wrong. Area is found in planaria. Answer 2 is correct. Am I correct, children?
Yeah.
Hard. Next question. Spike mosses can be considered to be more similar to seed plants than club mosses do due to presence of third one, no, heterospore. Spike mosses are Selaginella. If you don't know, please write this down. Selaginella are heterosporous, so that it's more similar to seed plants. Okay? හරිද? හරිද ළමයි?
Okay, teacher.
Right. Then question number 12. Several features seen in among some chordates are as follows. Which of the above features seen in organisms of class Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia in all three? හරිද? All three. Marine life is there, no putte? Internal fertilization is also there. Keratinized structures also present, no? Isn't the answer is A, B, D? Are we
Do
having?
always have marine life?
Yeah, putte, marine birds and marine reptiles, they have considered. So that always
ඒක truly marine කියලා ගන්න බෑනේ.
ඕ එහෙම ගන්න බැහැ උනාට බුක් එකේ අරන් තියෙනවා බලන්න අරන් තියෙනව නේද කියලා marine birds ඒ කියන්නේ
මමස් වගේ
associated කියන එක
ගත්තොත්
තමයි එතන
100කම ජීවත් වෙනා ඉන්නවනේ whales වගේ birds එහෙම නැහැ.
ඕ හැබැයි ඉතින් ඒත් ඉතින් අර associated කියන එක අරන් තමයි අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලන් පොතේ දීලා ඇති clearly නේද? මෙතන
Let
පොඩි
me check.
confusing point එකක් ඔව් අපි දන්න දේ එක හැබැයි තිබ්බනේ පොතේ. බලන්න තියනවද කියලා.
It says terrestrial and aquatic, not marine.
aquatic no yeah. marine ඉතින් හරිනේ marine කියන එක හරි.
නෑ aquatic කෙනෙක් ගන්න පුළුවන් teacher දැන් ඔය there are birds like ducks and
ඔව් නේ.
aquatic වුණ පමණින් marine වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ like that's two things freshwater වෙනකොට.
ඔව් හැබැයිනේ බලමු ආදිත්‍ය මේකේ අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ කියලා answer එක. ඔමින් බල.
I think that's a bad question anyway. Because like
යා නේ.
ඒගොල්ලෝ marine
ඒක
දෙන්නේ
නම්.
නැතුව aquatic දුන්නා නම් ඒකෙන් ප්‍රශ්නයක්
They
නෑ.
are giving all so they can't ask questions like that. So this is 2020, no? five තමයි 5 අරන් තියෙන්නේ. A B D. හරිද?
Okay.
One second. ඉන්නවලු මේ seabirdsලා ඉන්නවලු pelicans ලා එහෙම ගන්නවලු seabirdsලා. associated කියන එක තමයි ඉතින්. හරි? seabirds. බලමු 40 about in I guess. Yes. No question. Alright, now let's go to 2019, the last page. Hi, this is a very easy question. 2019, during the evolution of organisms, coelom was first developed in whom? Coelom was first developed in? Annelid, no? Am I correct? Cool. Is it correct?
Yes.
Lamai? Idida? Right. Which of the following structures can be seen in annelids as well as arthropods? This one, no? Ventral nerve cord, no? Which of the following plants is evolutionary closest to Markantia? The same thing is asking several ways, no? Isn't it? All you have to remember is Markantia, Prognathum, and Thesaurus. The order.
Prognathum.
Prognathum. Yes. In dicotyledonous plant, is the answer. This is wrong. 3 openings are there. Seeds are present within carpus. That's true. Perianth may be present. That is a confusion fact. Perianth is present in both dicots and monocots. May be present, Nisa. That is wrong. Vascular bundles in the stem are scattered. No, it's monocots. So answer is answer number 3. Seeds are present within carpus. Do you agree? Correct. 4 questions. Now we are going to the next one. Which of the following classes include animals having internal fertilization and those having external fertilization? Osteichthyes, what can you say? Osteichthyes most internal, what they say, isn't it? So that they should have neither. Even neither.
Yes, teacher.
Right. So amphibians external fertilization. Are they telling anything about most or something? You know. Reptilia.
Amphibia වලට internal fertilization නැද teacher? සම්පූර්ණ.
ඒක තමයි පොතේ දීලා තියෙන wording එක මොකද්ද මට කියන්නේ exactly. Most external කියලා තියෙනවා නම් we can consider about that as well.
Let me check.
Hmm?
Then let me check.
Okay. මට ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ ඔය කියපු කරුණු.
It says most amphibians show external
අද
fertilization.
එහෙනම් internal should be there නේද?
Yeah.
ඔව්. ඒකනේ.
Internal හැම class එකෙම වගේ තියෙනවානේ.
ඔව්.
මම හිතන්නේ සමහර කට්ටිය තමයි external එක.
Reptilia internal only. Convictius
Internal.
only. Aves internal only නේ එහෙනම් 3. හරිද? ඒකට අර වරද්දන්න දීලා තියෙන most කියන wording එකත් එක්ක එතන answer එක යනවා. හරි? That's all නේද?
Yeah.
42. ඒකෙත් C value 5 questions are there. හරි? 2019 වලින් ඉවර කරනවා මම. Tell me, did you learn something? අරවින්දි තේරුණාද?
Yes, teacher.
අරවින්දිව අඳුරනවද කාරණා? අපේ යාළුවේ. යාළුවේගේ අක්කානේ.
ලෝචනය ගන්නනේ.
Oh yes. දන්නවනේ. හරි. අර ඔය දෙන්නට කොහොමද? මේ ටික ඕකේ නේ? ශවින්දියන් මේ කරලු
Yeah, it's okay.
Hari, I'll give you more time to do structured essay and finish. I'll take another day to discuss those, okay? And also at the same time, likewise, we'll do another discussion for fourth unit MCQs and structured essays from the sections we have done so far. So that get ready for that as well. Once you have enough time, like there are holidays coming up now for you. I think Monday and Tuesday holiday for you guys. You are not going to what now? So that please take that time and analyze the questions and please have a list. So you can hear that there's analysis here now. So almost like 5 questions every time they have given. So 50 වලින් 5 කියන්නේ කීයක් තියෙනවද percentage එක?
10%.
10% තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් ඉතින් ලොකු amount එකක් නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔක්කොම
Yeah.
score කරගන්න ඕනමයි, right? ඒකනේ. හරි.
And also
එතකොට
it's like
සාමාන්‍යයෙන් in generally fourth unit එකෙන් 8 like questions are coming 8 to maximum 8 9 වගේ එනවා minimum 5 වගේ වෙනකන් එනවා fourth එකෙන් ඊට පස්සේ as I
fifth again
told you
15 again.
fifth එකෙන් majority එනවා
15 right?
හරිද ඔව් හරිද එතකොට 15 වලින් 15 දුමේ unit 5 වලින් නිකන් 33% වගේවත් එනවා හරිද ඒ නිසා ඒකටත් ලෑස්ති වෙන්න ඕනේ ඔය ටික කරන්න and write more essays Karalo I'm emphasizing again and again write more essays and also
Okay.
go through the essays that I have marked and given හරිද හරි okay guys we'll see you on the next day good night and have a nice day
Thank you, teacher. Good night.
Good night, teacher. Thank you. I think Shavindi fell asleep or something.